Honor is officially revealing the robot phone at Mobile World Congress 2026 on March 1st. And you know how MWC usually goes, brands try to have their big look at us moment, but this time, it really feels like Honor is aiming to grab the whole spotlight. Up until now though, everything we've seen has been CGI-heavy teasers and polished concept demos, not a real product. Honor showed this idea of a phone with robotic gimbal-style camera movement and an AI personality, but only through controlled promo videos, no proper hands-on hardware yet. It's felt more like, here's what it could be, not here's what it is. Now that changes. Through its official online channels, Honor confirmed that the humanoid robot and the robot phone are among the devices set to be unveiled at MWC on March 1st, 2026. And if everything goes as planned, this will be the first time we see an actual working unit, not just renders and theory. There are also reports suggesting the device could move toward mass production in the first half of 2026 after its MWC reveal. Not officially confirmed yet, but if that's true, this isn't just a concept flex, it's something they actually plan to sell. So what does this thing even do? Honor says the camera module can adjust itself when needed, so instead of you constantly repositioning the phone, it handles framing and tracking automatically, and it's reportedly powered by Honor's YOYO large-scale AI model, which they claim has emotional perception. Basically, the AI could understand what you're trying to capture and adjust in real time. Now specs? Sure. Rumors talk about a big OLED display, 5G, triple cameras, plenty of RAM, maybe even a huge battery. But honestly, in 2026, that's standard. That's not the exciting part. The real story is simple. Is this robotic movement actually useful, or is it just a flashy MWC demo? That's what we'll find out on stage. And it's not just the robot phone showing up at Mobile World Congress 2026. Honor is also expected to unveil the Honor MagicPad 4, the Honor MagicBook Pro 14, and even its first humanoid robot. So this is clearly a full ecosystem push. But between the robot phone and the humanoid robot, those are easily the most unpredictable parts of this entire lineup, and that's what makes this MWC showcase genuinely interesting. Peace.